This is the first video of my upcoming video series about how to make $5,000 a month as a teenager. In this video series, I'm going to reveal and show you guys easy side hustles that require a very small amount of investment and time. With today's method, you can probably make more than $5,000 a month. In this method, there is no risk, no upfront investment, and no hidden fees. You can start this today with me and make money. You only need a laptop and internet connection. I'm gonna call this side hustle medium content selling. Let me explain. There are two types of books that you can create by yourself without any writing skills. Those are low content books and medium content books. Low content books are basically journals and diaries. These books have empty pages, so the only thing you must do is create the cover image. Since these books are low content books, their prices are very low. That's where the medium content books come into play. In this video, I will show you how to create a medium content book from scratch and sell it through Amazon. This method is an automation method. You don't have to do anything. I'm gonna show you how to automate every step, starting with manufacturing and shipping. The best type of medium content books are coloring books, as you can see here. These coloring books have sold more than 1,800 times. The good thing about this is that you will not have to worry about anything. Once you create this book and upload it to Amazon, when someone orders it, Amazon will manufacture it and ship it to your customer. So the only thing you must do is create the book. But don't worry, that process is easier than you think. I have found a tool for it as well. This tool is called BookBolt. This is a really amazing tool. You can make a book with several clicks using this tool. Not only book creation, but also they provide product research tools as well, which is extremely important when it comes to selling books on Amazon. So basically, you can do the research using this tool and find out what products and what are the best-selling niches are, and then you can create the book according to that information. Not only that, you can get all the SEO keywords related to your product or niche using this tool. And don't worry, I will show you how to do all these things in the video. First, let's do some research and check what types of coloring books are best sellers. Once you log into your account, you will come to this page. As you can see here, we have video tutorials for everything on this page. You can learn everything from these videos. Now, select this cloud option from this menu. I'm gonna select the top 100 bestsellers from this here. For the category, let's add coloring books, and let's search. Okay, great. Now we can see the top 100 best-selling books in this category. If you look at these details, you will see that this book has an estimated number of 733 monthly sales. I mean, that's a lot of sales. This one has 496 monthly sales. By looking at this data, you can get a clear idea of the best-selling coloring books. If you click this link, it will directly bring you to the Amazon product page. Let's check the competition of each category. Go to Amazon and type Halloween coloring books. As you can see here, the competition is high. It has more than 60,000 results. Now, let's try color by numbers category. It also has a higher number of results, so the competition is high. Let's go to BookBolt and check again. Let's try this Mexican food niche. As you can see here, it has only 696 results. I think this would be a suitable niche for beginners because of the low competition. Let's check another one. I really like this coloring book about dragons. Let's search for it on Amazon as well. Cool. It's also low competitive. I'm gonna select this category, and let's make a book for this. Go back to the main menu, select this research option, and then select this create option. Now you need to select this BookBolt Studio option. Then you need to log into your account again. Use the same credential as before. Now, we need to create this project by adding suitable details. I'm gonna select this paperback cover and interior option, and let's name this project as Mythical Dragons. And for the size of the pages, I'm gonna use the same size as this book from Amazon. And for this, I'm gonna select a standard color interior with white paper and make sure to tick this bleed option. And let's add 72 pages. Our competitors have 100 pages, but I'm gonna go with 72 pages. And let's create the project. And this is where all the magic happens. Let's customize our book. First, I'm gonna create the cover of this book. As you can see here, this is the front and back side of the book. Since this book is about dragons, we need to add some images related to dragons to this cover. So go to this, image option, and here you can search for any image from Pixabay or Unsplash. I'm gonna search for dragons. And as you can see here, there are a lot of cool dragon images here. I think this one would be suitable for this book. It's unique and calm. Remember, the cover image is the most important thing when it comes to getting sales, so make sure that it looks interesting enough. And I'm gonna add this dragon image to the back of the cover. Make sure to place these images into correct place. If you want, you can resize these images as well. Now, let's add the name of this book. For that, click this text icon and select this add heading option. I'm gonna rename this book to Legendary Dragons. Now, we can't just use this text like this, let's customize it as well. Let's change the color of this text to white, and I don't like this font so much, so I'm gonna change it as well. I think this looks perfect. Let's place this text under here. And I'm gonna add some text effects using this option. There are several options. You can choose any effect that you think would fit your book. In this case, I'm gonna go with this shadow effect, and I'm gonna change the shadow color to red as well. Now this is perfect. Now, for the back cover of this book, I'm gonna add some sample dragon outline images as this book is done here. I will do it later. Now, let me show you how to add content to this book. Again, go to this image option, select this unsplash, and search for dragons. Now you need to select these dragon images with only outlines. Then select the suitable dragon images for these pages. If you want, you can use free dragon drawings from Google as well. There are a lot of websites where you can download images like this. So, get those images and add them to these pages. After you add all the images to all the pages, let's edit the back cover of this book. I'm gonna add 4 images to this back cover like the example book we saw on Amazon. So, just like before, go to this image option and add suitable 4 images. And make sure to make those images small like this and place them in this order. Once you complete that process, our book creation process is completed. Now we have created a fully 72-page coloring book with amazing dragon art within just several minutes. Now, all you need to do is go to the download option from the top menu and select this first option. Make sure to download this project with this CMYK option because these are printable materials. Then within several seconds, your book will be downloaded. It's as simple as that. Now, the next and final step is to upload this book to Amazon. For this process, you need to create an Amazon KDP account. Go to Google and search for Amazon KDP and go to this website and then click this link. Now you will come to this page, click this Join KDP button. Then you need to enter your name and email address and create an account. Once you create an account, you will come to this page, click this Create option. Now, you need to select the paperback option from here. Okay, now select the language as English and add the title of the book. I'm gonna add Legendary Dragons to here. And let's add the coloring book series as the subtitle. And I'm gonna add my name as the author of this book. I have created a description for this book using ChatGPT, and I'm gonna paste it here. And make sure to tick this, which is, I own the copyright of this book. And make sure to tick no to this option and add a suitable age gap to this. I'm gonna add 4 years as the minimum and 18 plus as the maximum age for this book. And let's tick this one. Now, for the keywords, we need to go back to Book Bolt again. Select this keyword option and select the search. Now, you can search for the best keywords for this book. As you can see here, we have all the best and top keywords for this book. I'm gonna copy these to here one by one. And I forgot to add the book category to this. As the category, I'm gonna select art and photography. Then let's select drawing from here. And let's select 3 of these options from here. Now, we are done with this page. Click this Save and Continue button. Now, you will come to this page. First, we need to assign an ISBN number for this. You can add a free number like this, it's really simple. Now here, you need to select the size of the book pages. Make sure to select the same size as the book we created. You can upload the manuscript of the book here. It is basically the interior part of your book. And I'm gonna upload the cover of the book to here. And here you need to mention the AI tools that you have used to create this book, so make sure to do that as well. After that, let's save it and preview the book. This is perfect. Now you can see the price that Amazon will charge you to create this book. It's $2.84. Don't worry, this will be charged only when someone places an order. Then Amazon will deduct this manufacturing cost from the total value. Let's click this Save and Continue option. Then you will come to this pricing page. I'm gonna change the total price of this book to $8.99. As you can see here, our profit margin is $2.55. If you want, you can increase it, but I'm good with this price. And guys, that's all. This process is really simple with Book Bolt. It will make everything 10 times easier. They have 2 plans. The first one is for $9.99, it's a newbie plan. And the second plan, which is Pro Plan, is $19.99. Both of these plans have 3 days of free trial. I hope this video was valuable for you, and I wish you the best of luck with this new method. So, with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.